Good morning student. Welcome to Maha EMIS e-learning project. Myself Varun Suresh Ukharde, PGT Mathematics from Eklavya Model Residential School, Aheri. Today I am going to teach you division algorithm for polynomial. Student, in last lecture we learned the degree of polynomial, the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is called as linear polynomial. Again, degree of polynomial is 2, then it is called as quadratic polynomial. If degree of polynomial is 3, then it is called as cubic polynomial. And we also know that if the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is a linear polynomial and it has only one root, only one roots are only 1, 0. Again, we also know that degree of polynomial is 2, then it is quadratic polynomial and it has 2 zeros. If degree of polynomial is 3, that is cubic polynomial, then it has at most 3 zeros. Now today we are going to learn division algorithm for polynomial. Now first we see the statement of that division algorithm for polynomial. Statement: if p of x and g of x, if p of x and g of x are any two polynomials, are any two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0, then we can find the polynomial q of x and r of x. We can find polynomial q of x and r of x such that p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is not equal to 0 and or degree of r of x, degree of r of x is always less than degree of g of x. Again, we also write down, it is also written as dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now I take first one simple example. Suppose 10 divided by 5. Here 10 is dividend and 5 is divisor. Now we know that 5 to the 10, then subtracting, then we get 0. Here 2 is quotient and 0 is remainder. So we also written as P of x, that is P of x means dividend, and G of x, that is divisor. Here Q of x, that means quotient, and again when we subtract that value, then we get the remainder R of x. Now I take one simple example. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now we know that P of x equal to dividend, that is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and G of x equal to x plus 2. Now divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now we write here the rough work for solving this example. Now first step is that take the first coefficient of that polynomial, that means 2x square, sorry, first term of that polynomial 2x square, divide by first term of that divisor, that means g of x, that is x. Then again when we divide it, then we get 2x. This 2x is a quotient of that polynomial. Now multiply that 2x by g of x, that means x plus 2. It becomes 2x into x, that means 2x square, plus 2 into 2, 4x. Now write that term, 2x square plus 4x. Now we know that when we subtract that term, then the signs are changes, that means minus to plus and plus to minus. Then 2x square plus 2x square minus 2x square gets cancel. Here 3x minus 4x, then we get minus x plus 1 is carried down, then we get minus x plus 1. Now again second step, again take first term of that for polynomial, that means minus x upon first term of that g of x, that means again x, then again we get minus 1, then again your quotient is minus 1. Now again multiply that minus 1 into x plus 2, then we get minus x, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Then write that term here, minus x minus 2. Again when you subtract that term, then minus 2 plus and minus 2 again plus, then minus x and plus x gets cancelled, then we get 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Here the remainder is, here we get p of x, g of x as it is, and next one quotient q of x is equal to 2x minus 1, and remainder, that means r of x, that is equal to 3. Now by division algorithm for polynomial by using that term, that is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, that is equal to g of x, that means x plus 2, into q of x, that means 2x minus 1 plus remainder 3, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is our answer. Now we take again another one example. Find all zeros of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2, and it is given that it has two zeros. Given it has its two zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Then find other two zeros. We know that the degree of that polynomial is 4, hence it has 4 roots. Therefore, two roots are given. So let two roots of or two zeros of that polynomial is root 2 and minus of root 2. Hence we get x first root is or first zero is plus root 2. That means we get x minus root 2 as a first factor, and second one is x minus root 2. Then we get the second root is x plus root 2. Now x minus root 2 into x plus root 2, then we get, by using the formula x square minus a square, that is equal to x minus a, x plus a. Therefore we get x square minus root 2 square, that means 2. Now divide the polynomial p of x by x square by 2. Now again the polynomial p of x is 2x raised to power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2. Again by rough work, choose first term as 2x raised to power 4 and first term of that divisor, that is x square. Then we get 2x square, that is quotient is 2x square. Now multiply by 2x square into that term x square minus 2. Then we get 2x to the power 4 minus 4x square. Now write down that term 2x to the power 4. Here the third term, that means cube term, is absent. That's why we don't write here anything. Minus 4x square. Now subtracting that term, plus the term has plus 2 minus and minus 2 plus. Again 2x raised to power 4 gets cancelled. Minus 3x cube as written down. Here 3x square and minus 3x square and plus 3x square, that means we get plus x square plus 6x carry down. Now again the first term of that polynomial is minus 3x cube and first term of that divisor x square. Again we get minus 3x. Now multiplying that minus 3x as x square minus 2, then we get minus 3x cube plus minus, and that minus becomes plus, 3 to the 6x, then we get minus 3x cube plus 6x. Again x square term is not present here. Now again subtracting, then the signs are changes, that means minus to plus and plus to minus. Again 3x cube minus 3x cube gets cancelled, x square carry down. Now minus 6x and plus again cancel, again minus 2 carry down. Now last, again we get first term of that polynomial x square and first term of that divisor is again x square, then we get 1, again multiply by that term is 1, then we get x square minus 2. Again subtracting that term, again plus to minus and minus to plus, then we get the remainder 0. The two roots of that polynomial is plus root 2 and minus root 2. Now we get the quotient 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now factorize this term by splitting the middle term. 2x square, we know that a into c, that means first term and last term is multiplication is 2, that 2 ones are 2, then hence we have to write minus 2x minus x plus 1, then splitting that term, 2x has a common, then we get x minus 1, again take minus sign common outside, then we get x minus 1, then we get two terms, that means x minus 1 is first common term and second one is x minus 1. Therefore we get 4 roots. First one is, we know that plus root 2, second one is minus root 2, and again third one is x minus 1 equal to 0, that means x minus 1 equal to 0, then we get x equal to 1, that third root is 1. Again fourth root is 2x minus 1 equal to 0, again we get x equal to plus 1 by 2. Therefore we get the 4 roots